Explainer videos are becoming a very popular form of marketing that many freelancers would love to offer. Unfortunately, many people believe creating them is a difficult job that requires a skilled animator. This course aims to show you otherwise. It aims to show you, somebody with little to no experience, how to create great-looking professional quality explainer videos that you can sell to your clients. Learn and master the art of making explainer videos quickly in this comprehensive course for beginners. 1. Recognize the concepts of what makes a great explainer video. 2. Learn how to create a custom-made explainer video, step by step, from beginning to end. 3. Learn where I find valuable resources for adding to my explainer videos. 4. Learn how to charge your clients for explainer video projects. A powerful and valuable skill set for any freelancer. Learning how to create explainer videos with Explaindio puts a powerful and very useful tool at your fingertips. There are many benefits to knowing how to properly make an explainer video and sell it. You can become a more valuable freelancer to potential clients seeking this service, especially since many businesses around the world are now seeking explainer videos to describe what they do. This course is really geared towards someone who doesn't have any experience with programs such as Photoshop, Flash, After Effects, and all of those other complicated pieces of software that have steep learning curves. Explaindio, on the other hand, is not geared towards professional artists and makes it easy for just about anyone to create great-looking explainer videos. Using my method, you'll be making beautiful videos in no time. That said, you're also going to learn how to sell these videos to your clients. Who this course is for. 1. This course is meant for freelancers who want to start offering explainer video creation as a service. No prior animation or explainer video knowledge is needed. This course is probably not for you if you're looking to learn advanced animation techniques. What will I learn? 1. Charge and quote a client for an explainer video project. 2. Create great-looking explainer videos with Explaindio. 3. Understand the creative process of making explainer videos. And the requirements for this course are: 1. Purchase Explaindio Video Creator. 2. Download and install Audacity.